Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you view, manage and download your Disney PhotoPass photos after they are linked to your Disney account. You can access photos taken by Disney PhotoPass photographers, eligible attraction photos and magic shots or from your photo gallery. In this guide I will show you step by step how to view and download PhotoPass photos in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for preserving your Disneyland memories. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app. Starts by launching the app. Open the Disneyland app, sign into your Disney account, and then open your photo gallery inside the app. Tap the new the menu, the three lines. Scroll to Disney PhotoPass. So you have here many options, as you can see. So we have PhotoPass lenses here. Okay, as you can see, you can have allowing your pictures to be in the application. So select, as I said, select photo gallery. Your linked PhotoPass and attraction photos will appear when they are available. View your photos, browse your gallery, scroll through your available pictures, tap in image to view its full screen and swipe between your photos. You will be able to review all your linked Disneyland memories in one place. Now download a picture. If your account includes download rights, open the photo you want to save, tap download and allow access to your device's photos library if prompted. The image will be saved to your device. Now download additional photos if you want. To save more memories, return to your photo gallery, repeat the download process for each photo you would like to keep, and each eligible image can be downloaded individually through the mobile app. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.